Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Ngayon guys, magre-review tayo ng Glock 19X. This is the airgun. So hindi po siya airsoft. Airgun Glock 19X by Umarex, fully licensed by Glock. Okay, then shoutout po kay Sir Jimmy. Sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Okay, so proceed tayo. Bali, this one is si Glock 19X Gen 5. This one is airgun po. So, hindi po siya airsoft. Okay? Airgun caliber 4.5mm. So, this model is chambered in 4.5mm steel BBs. So, bali ito po yung kanyang bala. 4.5mm steel BBs. Okay? Or metal BBs. So, ang bala po ng airsoft ay ito. Okay. So, yun po. Para hindi po kayo malito, ito po yung bala ng airsoft. This one is 5.95mm plastic BBs. And this one is the 4.5mm steel BBs. Yan po yung bala ng airgun. Okay? So, ngayon, proceed tayo. This is the box of the Glock 19X. Yan, naka-indicate po, airgun, caliber 4.5mm, CO2 powered, Glock 19X. This one is Umarex brand. Yan. Umarex brand, fully licensed by Glock. Okay. Yan. So, pag sinabi po nating fully licensed, ayan, officially licensed product of Glock, no? Officially licensed product of Glock. So, ibig sabihin po, yung original mismo or yung tunay na Glock ay same na same po sila, no? When we say fully licensed or fully licensed, officially licensed by Glock, so ibig sabihin po, very detailed yung kanyang markings. Yan, the markings talagang detalyado, talagang pulido yung yung pagkagawa, no? Yung kanyang engrave talagang maganda at malinis. Ayan, Glock 19X. This one is the Gen 5 version. Okay, Gen 5 version po. CO2 powered. Ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng CO2. CO2 powered, chambered in 4.5mm steel BBs or caliber 177 steel BBs. Okay po. So, bali, yung bala niya, yung pinakita ko kanina, mas maliit po siya compare sa bala ng airsoft plastic BBs. Okay? So, ayan po ang itsura ng Glock 19X Gen 5. When we say Gen 5, yung kanyang slide stop is ambidextrous. Ibig sabihin, magkabilaan po yan. Yung kanyang mag-release, mas malapad compared to Gen 3. Ayan. It has Picatinny rail na pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessories. Yun nga lang, hindi mo siya pwedeng lagyan ng suppressor or silencer kasi wala naman siyang thread. But yun naman, mga silencer suppressor talagang props lang yun, design lang yun, kumbaga dagdag bubot lang yun sa unit natin. So hindi naman siya talagang kailangan sa ating unit. So ito, simple lang, ganito lang, maganda na. Okay, Gen 5 meron siyang lanyard loop, no? Lanyard loop, tapos medyo pa-curve na yung kanyang grip, no? This one is the Glock 19X. So, ito po ay crossover between the two models. Crossover po. So, tandaan nyo po, pag mayroong X, yan, ang ibig sabihin po ng X is a crossover between two models. Marami po kasi yan. 19X, 43X, at marami pa yan. Marami mga crossover ng Glocks. Okay, so this one is a crossover of the two models, the Glock 19 and Glock 17, no? Kasi pag sinabi nating Glock 19X, crossover talaga yan ng Glock 17 at Glock 19. So, meron tayo ditong Glock 19. Napapakita ko lang sa inyo. It's a airsoft. Pero ano siya, WE brand. Okay. This one is the Glock 19 Gen 4. Gen 4 airsoft. So, bali airsoft po siya. Ang bala niya ay plastic BBs. Okay? So, ito po ay airsoft. Ang bala po niyan ay plastic BBs. Okay? Pero yung Glock 19X, airgun po yan. This one is airsoft WE brand. Yan, Gen 4. Ayan, Gen 4. So, sa Gen 4, hindi pa siya ambi. Ayan, hindi pa siya ambidextrous. Sa Gen 5, ambidextrous. This one is Glock 19 lang talaga siya. Now, as you can see, yung Glock 19, yan, same lang sila ng haba ng, magkaiba lang yung design kasi magkaiba yung brand. Okay, pero yung haba ng slide ay same lang. Pero, yung haba ng grip ay mas mahaba yung 19X. Kasi nga, yung 19X is a crossover of a Glock 17 grip and a Glock 19 slide. So, yun po yung explanation nun, no? Maliwanag na explanation. Sa Glock 19, maiksi yung grip, no? This one is an airsoft po. This one is an airgun. Okay, proceed tayo. Okay? So, again, this is the Glock 19X by Umarex. So, fully licensed by Glock. So, kung pansinin nyo po, yung sa Glock 19X na Umarex, meron siyang markings. Ayan. Ayan, Glock. Pero sa WE, wala. Sa WE, wala. Ayan, bawal kasi silang maglagay ng markings, no? Bawal po yan kung hindi sila officially licensed by Glock. So, sa Glock, Umarex, so, they are authorized na talagang gayahin yung original. Yung original na Glock. So, ayan. Yung markings niya, engraved po yan. Hindi po siya, ano lang, yung paint lang, no? Yung painted lang. This one is engraved. Yan, pakita. I-zoom natin. Yan, engraved talaga siya. Ayan, Glock 19X. At napakalinis ng pagkagawa. Ng pagka-engraved, no? Yan, sa kabilang side naman, ayan yung parang yung kanyang serial number. Ano natin? Parang yung serial number niya. Okay? Yung pinaka parang serial number ng unit. And then, this one is, tingnan natin kung ilang rounds yung magazine niya. Walang nakalagay. Okay, 18 rounds. Ayan. 18 rounds yung capacity ng magazine ng Glock 19X. Okay, sa chambered in 4.5 mm steel BBs. So, bali ito yung kanyang manual. At manual ng Glock 19X inclusion. And tsaka yung engineering booklet nila. Okay, so this one is made in Germany. Okay, Germany po siya. Made in Germany. Umarex brand Glock 19X airgun. So, bali, nilagay ko na yung CO2. Meron po pala siyang kasamang CO2 when you purchase sa aming shop. Meron po siyang kasamang 5 pirasong CO2 and of course, yung kanyang bala. Okay, yung steel BBs. This one is copper coated. Okay? And then, may kasama po siyang Allen wrench. Pamihit natin dun sa adjuster. Ayan. Diyan. Yan yung adjuster cup. So, ito magagamit nyo po dyan. Pamimihit pagka higpitan nyo siya. Okay? So, madali lang naman siyang ilagay. Actually, yung CO2. Luwagan mo lang yung adjuster. Yan. Luwagan mo lang. Then, salpak CO2. Then, higpit. Yun lang. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? So, ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng bala. Lagyan lang muna natin siya ng 4 siguro. 4 na bala. So, sa paglalagay naman ng bala, okay, pwede mo siyang ilock sa dulo. Yan, pwede mo siyang ilock sa dulo. Tapos, dito ka maglalagay. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, itataktak mo lang. Para malaglag yung, ayan, malaglag yung steel BBs. Tapos, balik. Okay. Again, this is the Glock 19X by Umarex, fully licensed by Glock Gen 5. Tingnan nyo yung sight. Okay, ang ganda ng sight. Ang ganda ng unit. This one is the tan version or the Coyote version of the Glock 19X. Okay? Okay, so ngayon guys, itetest natin yung EPS. Chronograph testing tayo ng ating Glock 19X Gen 5 by Umarex. Airgun pistol chambered in 4.5mm steel BBs. Okay, testing. So, by the way, meron siyang safety dito sa ilalim, no? Okay, yan. Slide safety. Okay, testing. Okay, naka-save. Firing. Error kasi 1,105. So, isusum natin. So, naka-error po siya guys. So, yan yung, ang binasa niyan ay hindi mismo yung, yung trajectory. Okay? So, one more. Firing. Okay, 499.8. The EPS is 499.8. Ayan. So, it's about 500 EPS. 499.8. Okay, one more. 555.6. 555.6. Again, one more. Wow. 910.8. 910.8. Then, one more. 486.4. So, pumalo siya ng 910. I think yun yung yun yung hangin lang yung binasa. Okay? Then, last one. 533.9. Okay? 533.9. Okay, and then open chamber. Dahil wala na siyang load, wala na siyang bala. Release mo lang yung magazine, pero may CO2 pa po ito, no? Release mo lang yung magazine for safety, and then hatakin mo lang tong slide. Yan. Tapos release. Okay, hammer down. Okay? So, now, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Shooting test tayo. Lagyan lang natin siya ng more BBs. More steel BBs. So, ayun. Sa paglo-load ng steel BBs, this one is the copper-coated steel BBs. Pwede mo naman siyang ganun lang. Tapos, tagtag lang. Lagyan lang natin siya ng mga ilang shots. Okay. And for testing. Okay, shooting test. Again, this is the Umarex Glock 19X Coyote or the tan version. Fully licensed by Glock. Umarex brand made in Germany. Ayan. Okay, testing. Firing. Napakalakas. So, mafe-feel mo talaga yung CO2 powered. Mafe-feel mo yung kick or yung recoil. So, ubusin natin yung bala. Okay? And then, open chamber. Dahil wala na siyang bala, release mo lang yung mag. And then, hatak mo lang tong slide. Hatak mo lang tong slide. Hammer down. Okay? So, again, shoutout po kay Sir Jimmy Um, Again, this is the Glock 19X, Yomarex brand. So sa mga gusto pong mag-avail o mag-purchase ng unit, ilalagay ko po yung details sa comment section. So check nyo na lang po, guys. Okay, again, this is the Glock 19X Yomarex, fully licensed by Glock. Okay? CO2 powered airgun. Okay, have a nice day.